Hello students, today we will learn the meaning and the procedure of online transaction. OLTP, that is online transaction procedure. It refers to the processing in which the system responds immediately to user request. An automatic teller machine, that is ATM, for a bank is the best example of commercial transaction process. Some other examples of OLTP system includes order entry, retail sales, financial transactions, online buying, etc. So online transaction is very easy and it can be done from anywhere by using smart devices like smartphones, laptops, our mobile phones, etc., which is easily available to all of us, and it can be done with the help of internet, and we can easily buy or sell through the internet process. When a consumer purchases a goods or a service online, he or she can pay for it through the online transaction. So in this time period, we all are so much familiar about this online procedure or online transaction. Usually we are going through this procedure. That means इस समय हम सभी ऑनलाइन परचेसिंग और सेलिंग में यूज़ कर रहे हैं और बाइंग एंड सेलिंग कर रहे हैं. So now the next we will come to the procedure of online transactions. In this procedure there are three stages are there: pre-purchase sale, actual purchase sale and delivery stage. In the pre-purchase sale, in which a registration is compulsory, and in the second stage, actual purchase sale, that means a buyer can choose or select a product and keep it in their shopping cart, and finally in the delivery stage all the payment procedure will completed. Now we will come to the first step under the online procedure, that is registration. The word registration means what? Exactly, we have to register in a particular website so that we can easily go through all the products, see all the products in the website, and we can select. And for that selection, first of all, we have to register himself. हमें अपने आप को with the complete details we have to register in a particular website. So registration is required for making online transaction. A buyer who is trying to make an online purchase has to first register himself with the website by filling up the registration form. So it basically includes the customer name, ID, address and some other details, and these details are safely with the website. So this is the first step in the online transaction. Now the second step is placing an order. Naturally, after registration, we will go through the products which we would like to buy, and for that we will select or take the products and keep it in our shopping cart. So in this online, buyer browses through the online store and select the goods displayed in the website. The buyer then puts the selected goods in his shopping cart. So here in this shopping cart, every record and details about the item which was selected by the buyer would like to purchase, everything is to be, every details of the product is given in the shopping cart, like number of units, their quantity, their price, everything is in the shopping cart, so that in the future they will easily selected item, they will go through the next process for buying. So the buyer can proceed to the payment option after selecting all the products. So now the next step is the last step, that is payment option. It is the last step in the online transaction. Online transaction may finally, after selecting the products, we have to finally pay for the product which we would like to buy. This payment step is very secure with a very high level encryption. Encryption means the coding which is to be understandable by the computer only. The language comes under in the coding is only understood by the computer. So the personal financial information is completely secure because here we are giving each and every details regarding our password, credit cards, amounts, our account details, our names, everything. So here security must be there for payment option. Now the first option for the payment is COD, that is cash on delivery. This is very simple, in which जब buyer के पास में उसके डोर स्टेप पे वो प्रोडक्ट उसे रिसीव हो जाएगा, then after receiving the product they will pay for the product. वो कैश में पैसा देकर उस प्रोडक्ट को रिसीव कर सकते हैं. So this is known as cash on delivery. Now the second option is check. By using this check, they will send the check, buyer will send the check to the buyer, to the seller, and the seller will finally send the product after realization of the check. Check clear होने के बाद में ही seller वो product को transfer करता है to the buyer's address. Now the next option for the payment is net banking transfer. This net banking transfer facility will be given by the bank. One app will be given through the every individual banks. They will give this app, and through the app we can easily transfer our money to one bank account to our bank account to the another bank account. So in this type of payment, the payment is transferred from the buyer's account to the seller's account electronically. So in this net banking transfer, payment is received by the seller and the seller will dispatch the goods to the buyer. It is also an electronic facility of transferring funds through the internet. Now the next is debit card or credit card. Everyone has this, both these cards, credit card and debit cards, which is also given by the bank, and some other different facilities is available for both this type of cards. So we can use these cards for buying online, for buying anything, and for the online payments. The buyer make the payments through debit or credit card, and the amount is frequently suddenly deducted from the customer's account. The debit card and credit cards, properly known as plastic money. It is also called by the plastic money, and this is basically used for the online payments. Now the last option for the payment is digital cash, in which the debit card or credit card or COD or checks, these type of facilities, this type of things is not used in this digital cash. It is totally electronic currency, but actual में हमारा money cut होगा, but it is comes under in the electronic currency. So digital cash is a form of electronic currency that exists only in the cyber space and has no real physical properties, but offers the ability to use real currency in an electronic format. We can transfer our money through this digital cash, digital facility through the electronic options, and it is also done through the internet facility. So here complete the procedure of online transaction. One again more example for this online transaction is the Railway Smart Card. Railway Smart Card is the facility given by the railways, in which it is used to buy the tickets. It provides a faster way of buying railway tickets without standing in the long queue.